Hello everyone, friends. In this lesson, we will examine how we make selections. Let's make a few drawings very simply. Now, let's say that we want to select the line consisting of lines here. When we click once on the screen with the left button of our mouse and release it, when I move it to the left side, a green window appears, and when I move it to the right side, a blue window appears. Around this green window and the blue window, there are dashed lines when in green and solid lines when in blue. This means the following. If I try to make a selection with the green window, as soon as these lines cross over any drawing, look, it crossed over like this. Let's get a little bit closer. When I'm right on top of it, it shows that you can select it right now. If I click once and let go, we've selected it. Let's press escape. Again, I pulled it to the left side. Left down, left up is the same. You can pull left down if you want, or you can pull left up if you want. As soon as I go over these two drawings, it shows that I can select both of them. Or when I go down, I'm going over all these four lines. And when I click once, we've selected them like this. Let's press escape. So how do we select on the blue screen? Even though I'm on the blue screen and I've gone over all the drawings, it doesn't make any selection. Let's even click one more time. Look like this. It didn't make a selection. Why? Because when we are on the blue screen, all of the drawing, all of it, has to be inside this blue screen. I clicked once on an empty space. I pulled my mouse to the right, like this. See, as soon as it's all inside this blue screen, it shows that it's selectable. I click once and it is selected. These are two different selection methods, is to hover over the shapes. Look, we add each selection to the previous selection. What do we do if we want to remove the selections? Let's say we selected 3 of them. When we go over the shapes, we have selected and pressed the Shift key on our keyboard. A minus sign appears. When I click on any of these shapes, we remove them from the selections we have made. Another selection method is to select all the shapes at the same time. When I press Ctrl and A on our keyboard, I have selected all the shapes. Then we can delete them all by pressing delete. In our next lesson, we will examine how to draw in a straight and angled way. Then see you in our next lesson.